Alright, hello YouTube. This is my Hunter Summer Breeze ceiling fan that I got at Goodwill. Kind of weird. Seems like I find something good almost every time. Got it new in box. Or, for the most part. You have all the packaging right there. The only thing I was missing was the switch housing. So, yeah, I don't really have much of a way to operate this, so I'm just using the Hampton Bay carriage house light kit to operate, because it's about the only way that I have. Funny, today, I went to go turn the fan on, because I wanted to see if when you disconnect it, if it would still work. I don't know. Just a thought, so I did, and nothing even happened, so I'm like, oh, that's weird. So, clicked it a few more times, nothing happened, so assume that the fan's dead. And just a fair warning, with this light kit, or with this setup or whatever, this fan does run really slow. Well, without further ado, let's start it up. All the speeds are pretty much the same. I mean, there RPM wise, it's probably a difference of about, I don't know, 40 maybe, between medium to high. That was my ankle. That really hurt. Yeah, I just woke up about a half hour ago, so I'm still a little tired. As you can see, it's shaking a bit. Blade arms on this are really sturdy. I mean, it's a well-built fan. I just wish I had the switch housing. Let's go to medium. It's a pretty quiet fan, actually. I mean, don't expect nothing less from Hunter. So that's medium. Medium actually looks like it's a bit faster than high. One of those blades a little jacked up. Looks like one of them is. I actually came down here because I have the Homestead installed in my kitchen. So I brought the Hampton Bay Landmark down here to test it in here and kind of forgot that I had the Hunter installed. Let's go to high. That almost looks like it's, I don't know, probably about the same speed or a little bit slower. Hard to get good picture because of the lights. I don't know, yeah, it's about the same. Between all three speeds. Chain's a little messed up. So I know that it's not the pole chain, so it's probably the motor that's dead. Oh well, that's unfortunate. Guess we'll have to get a new fan. This Summer Breeze, if I were to put it anywhere, would probably be in my room, because I don't know, I kind of want a Hunter. Alright. It does kind of come to close contact with this, but like before, I'm not too worried with the last go or whatever. Still haven't moved it over at all. Probably should, but I haven't. Seems like it's got a pretty quick slowdown time. I don't know why that would be. Blade brackets are kind of heavy. Maybe that has something to do with it. The blades appear to be solid wood, but they have like a veneer on them, or that plasticky stuff. It looks kind of nice, but it'd be nicer if it was solid wood, or if it was stained wood. Alright, thanks for watching.